Hey everyone, welcome back to Safety Mindset. In this video, we're going to talk about something incredibly important, Lockout Tagout. But first, I want to share a real-life story that highlights why this procedure is so critical. On November 3rd, 2003, at approximately 5 p.m., a 62-year-old butcher was cleaning a screw-type meat grinder. She believed everything was safe, but the power source to the grinder had not been disconnected. Tragically, her right arm got caught in the machine. Despite emergency surgery, she awoke the next day. This tragic accident could have been prevented with a straightforward safety procedure known as Lockout Tagout or isolation procedure. And so, I'll walk you through the 5 essential steps of Lockout Tagout to ensure such incidents never happen here. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparation. First, identify all energy sources connected to the equipment. This includes electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, mechanical, and more. Make sure you know every potential hazard. Next, notify all affected employees about the maintenance or servicing. Clear communication is key to safety. Step 2. Shutdown. Use the machine's normal stopping procedure to power it down. Make sure all moving parts have completely stopped before proceeding. De-energize the equipment by isolating it from all energy sources to prevent any accidental startup. Step 3. Isolation. Locate all energy isolating devices such as circuit breakers, switches, and valves for the application of lockout devices to ensure they cannot be turned back on accidentally. Remember, the goal is to isolate the equipment completely. Step 4. Application of lockout/tagout devices. Place a lock on each energy isolating device and attach a tag identifying who is responsible and why the lockout is in place. Also, ensure any stored or residual energy is safely released or blocked. For example, bleed hydraulic lines or discharge capacitors. Step 5. Verification of isolation. Before starting work, verify that the equipment is completely de-energized. Try to start the machine to ensure it's locked out, but be cautious. Lastly, ensure all controls are in the off or neutral position after testing. And there you have it. By following these 5 steps, you can ensure the safety of yourself and your coworkers during maintenance or servicing tasks. Always remember, no shortcut is worth risking a life. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share this video with others. See you in the next video. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Implement Lockout Tagout every time.